They may be small, but their impact is mighty. Bees, nature's tiny heroes, play a huge role in feeding the world. Every third bite of food we eat depends on pollinators like bees. They support the growth of fruits, vegetables, seeds, and nuts, keeping ecosystems healthy and agriculture thriving. At SAWiE, we believe in sustainable agriculture practices that not only feed people, but also protect our pollinators. But bees are in danger. Pesticides, habitat loss, and climate change are putting these vital workers at risk. That's why SAWiE promotes smart, bee-friendly practices, from reducing harmful chemicals to planting flowering cover crops that nourish pollinators. Together, we can protect bees, support farmers, and ensure food security for generations to come. This World Bee Day, let's celebrate the bees and take action to protect them. Join SAWiE in building a greener, more pollinator-friendly future. Please install the SAWiE mobile application from the Play Store for more information and updates. Also, subscribe to the SAWiE YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn to stay tuned.